Hello friends, I hope everything is fine. In this video, we will guide you on how to reset local user account password. It may be administrator or a standard user. You can reset your local account passwords on Windows 11 if you have forget it or your password is not working anymore. So first I will set password for my account. For that, right click on the start button and then select here computer management. Here click on local users and groups, then users. Then I am setting password for administrator, so I will right click on the administrator account and select set option, then click on proceed. Here I put password 12345 just for your confirmation that everything is working fine. You can see that I have set a password for my administrator account. I am closing this window. If you want, I will log off and I will show you that everything is already set. So I will first log it and then it should prompt for a password to me. After clicking on lock screen, you can see it is asking for password. Let me enter password this time. Next time it will log in without password because I have forget it. You can think like this: I have forgot this password which I have set 12345. So what you have to do is first navigate to this one link and here you have to download recover my password software from here. Let's soft recover my password. From here you can use Ctrl F and copy recover my password or go at the bottom of the screen. I will paste this link on this video description so you have don't to worry. Here scroll down and you can see Let's soft recover my password home edition. It is free and other are paid. So I will download it. Free version only. Here click on the free download now. Please note it is free for only non-commercial use. If you want to use this for your business purpose or something else, then you need to purchase this software. So after downloading it, you need to install it on your computer. So let it first download. I will show you rest of the steps, complete steps, so you don't have to worry. I will show you complete steps, A to Z steps. So you have to do double click or single click whatever you have set in your PC to open this application. Here click on OK, then accept the agreement, click on the next. Here it will install by default on C drive, no issues, you can customize it also. Click the next, install. This will install Let's Soft Recover My Password application on your PC. That is totally free, you don't have to pay anything. Now I will launch this software. Click on finish. Then here you need to click on burn bootable CD/USB disk now. Here select Windows 10 64-bit because officially it does not support yet Windows 10 operating system, but if you will create a bootable disk for Windows 10 64-bit, it will work on Windows 11 also. I have already tested it, so you don't have to worry about it. Now you have to click on the next button. Then you can see here CD slash, you can create CD or DVD, bootable CD or DVD using this option. Next you can use this one USB flash drive, and last one is this one image ISO. You can create this type of disks from this software, I'm going to create ISO image for demonstration purpose. I am saving it on my desktop. I boot. This is the default name of the ISO file, and here you need to click on the save button. Once you will once you have done it, then click on the start button. It will download a few required files from the Microsoft server, and then it will create a ISO file on your selected location. For instance, I have selected desktop, so this application will create an ISO file on our PC desktop only. Let me show you how it works. It will take hardly a few seconds. So keep continue watching. If you want to learn every steps from this software, it's quite easy. Don't worry, everything will work. I have already tested it. I will show complete steps. I will show you by logging into my administrator account also without any password that I have promised you before. So don't worry, it's about to complete, and until now we have not seen any ISO on my desktop. Let the application download required files on your PC and create an ISO file to reset your Windows account password. It will not reset your online account that you have created using a Microsoft account, but whatever local account is available on your PC, such as administrator, or you have created any one manually, you can reset this type of passwords using this software. Let's soft recover my password. Now you can see I have received the message the ISO image was created successfully, and you can see here one ISO file has been created. You need to, if you have created USB disk or CD drive, whatever you have created, you need to boot from that device into your Windows. So you need to first change the options, bootable options in your BIOS, and then you can proceed further. For this video, I have created an ISO file. From that, I will boot on my PC because I am using Windows 11 on my Hyper-V machine, Hyper-V system. So I will now reboot my PC to boot from this one ls boot ISO file. So let me reboot and show you the further steps, how it works, how it reset my account password. After resetting, it will prompt you to boot from a CD or DVD. This type of message you will see on the screen when your PC starts initially. You need to press any key from your keyboard, and after that you can see let's soft live CD first option, you need to select first option and press enter on the keyboard. This will boot from this software only. It is loading the files. You need to wait until it completely loads. And now you can see the command prompt window has been opened, and after that it disappeared automatically. And you can see on the screen reset Windows password. By default it is selected. Here you can also use find Windows product key. I don't want to recover my product key. I just want to reset my Windows administrator account password. So I have selected reset Windows password option, and then you need to click on the next button. Here click on yes button. You don't have to select anything here. Click on the next button. Here you need to select your account for which you want to reset the password. I am going to reset my password for my administrator account, so I have selected administrator here. After that you need to click on the next button. Here you can see these options are related to my account that I have set for my administrator, so you don't have to do anything. Now you need to click on this one option, this one button, reset/unlock. Click here and you can see this message, the password reset successfully. Click on the OK button. Click on the finish button. Now you have to restart your computer. Click on this Windows logo and click on the restart computer button. Click on the OK, and now this time you don't have to press anything here when it prompts. Otherwise it will again boot from your bootable CD, DVD, USB, whatever you are using. Now it will directly boot into your Windows PC, and you can see it is logging. It is trying to log in automatically in my administrator account. It will take a few seconds, and finally it will log in to my administrator account. If I want, I can set a new password for my administrator account for security purpose. So you need to repeat this steps that I have shown in this video previously. So right click on this start button and select here computer management option. Here click on local users and groups, then users. Right click, select and right click on the user account that you want to set password, and select set password option, then click on proceed. Now again I can set a new password that I have forgot. Again I have reset it, and now I am setting a new password to protect my Windows. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel Gear Up Windows, do hurry up. A lot of amazing videos are awaiting for you. You will learn here a lot of things. Thank you. Goodbye. See you in the next video. Bye bye.